Welcome to this podcast, your one-stop destination for unlocking the secret of turning your side hustle into profitable income stream. I'm your host, Amo Joseph. Alright, so if you have got this fantastic side hustle going right, it could be selling homemade crafts, offering freelancing service, or even starting a small online business. Now, how do you make some serious cash from it? First, find your niche, identify what makes your side hustle unique, and target the right audience. Invest in self-improvement, enhance your skills, learn from experts, and stay updated with the industry trends. Promote like a pro, use social media, create a stunning website, and leverage word of mouth referrals. Keep your finances in check, track expenses, set clear pricing, and consider reinvesting some profit for growth. Lastly, scale wisely. As your side hustle grows, be strategic in expanding your offerings and customer base. And there you have it in just 1 minute. Making money from your side hustle takes dedication, strategy, and a dash of creativity. Remember, your passion can become your paycheck. Join us next time for more tips and insights on turning your side hustle into a money-making machine. This is Amo Joseph signing off, and until next time, keep hustling and keep those profits rolling in.